Welcome to Melfem News. Today I will address you about Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs transfer news. Salam Pasatam to Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs will again look to spend big and when transfer window opens in the coming weeks. The Soweto Giants brought in 10 players in this season but failed to make any significant improvement under Napi. Amakhosi have been linked to Salam for almost 2 years now. With only a year left in his contract with Azam, Kaizer Chiefs made their final bid and talks were paused before the final talks set to resume. Kaizer Chiefs judge registered a Ghanaian goalkeeper. Nasadina Nabi said he is not Kaizer Chiefs mentality. Kaizer Chiefs might finally sign Fanzwat Pasatami. I will give you the full story about Omsin Apollo's deals. Specifically in Ndlovu to Kaizer Chiefs is near its end done deal. For the next Kaizer Chiefs news, follow my channel and like and subscribe.